What's going on, guys? Yeah, I just woke up. I got my cup of coffee right here. Bam. Yes. Yeah, so today is all about deploying configuration manager using the hydration kit. I think the last time we did hydration kit, it was all about setting it up, and I deployed the Active Directory part. So it's time to actually deploy the configuration manager part. So stay tuned. It's just me introducing it, nothing much. And I'm gonna do a fast-paced, speed-up kind of video right now so you guys can see the process. It deploys successfully with no problem. I'm loving the hydration kit. It just works. Awesome. So hopefully you guys stay tuned and enjoy, and I catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.
Don't be afraid, won't let you fall, girl. Don't be afraid, won't let you fall, girl.